Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Stripe to Bolt.new. Just follow these steps and you'll have Stripe integrated into your Bolt project in no time. First, you need to get your Stripe credentials. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, create one, then make sure you switch to test mode so you can safely test payments. Now, in the Stripe dashboard, go to the Developers tab, create a new secret key and copy it. Remember to use test keys for development. They always start with _test_. Next, you can start setting up payments inside your Bolt project. Make sure user authentication is already configured. If it's not, ask Bolt to set it up before continuing. In your Bolt workspace, click the gear icon at the top center, then select Stripe. Bolt will walk you through the setup. When it asks for an API key, click Add Stripe API key, paste your test key, and confirm. After that, click Retrieve My Products, so Bolt can pull your products from Stripe. Choose the products you want to use inside your Bolt app and click Apply Selection. Bolt will automatically import your Stripe products and generate the necessary Supabase Edge functions for checkout, webhooks, and subscription management. Once Bolt prompts you, click Apply Changes to sync everything to Supabase, and that's it. After completing these steps, your Bolt project will be fully connected to Stripe and ready for testing.